Today I'm creating a Galentine's Girls Night Out invitation using a ready-made template and a simple customization process that's perfect for beginners. If you're new to selling digital products, this is the easiest way to create something that looks polished without spending hours designing. I start with a template that already has a solid layout. That way, I'm not guessing or redesigning anything. I'm just making smart updates that instantly change the look. The first thing I do is remove the original background and replace it with a soft light pink. This color is really popular on Etsy right now and immediately sets the tone for a fun, on-trend Galentine's design. Next, I add a graphic that fits the theme. For a girls' night out, I'm thinking cocktails, something playful and cute that feels celebratory. I'm searching for drink illustrations and choosing one that works naturally with the layout. There are lots of options, so you can get creative here while still keeping the design clean and easy to customize. Once the graphic is in place, I update the text color to match. This ties everything together and makes the design feel cohesive and intentional, even with very minimal effort. Before I finish, I always do a quick check to make sure everything feels balanced. That's what turns a design from done into something that's actually sell ready. And just like that, you have a Galentine's invitation that's ready to personalize, ready to list, and ready to sell, created in minutes, not hours. This same approach works for any theme or event, which makes it easy to repeat as you build and grow your shop. If this was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy, beginner-friendly design tutorials. We share sell-ready products every week.